celebrations, of the centenary celebrations as open.
Dr. H. Gordon Roberts Hospital kabadai jong Khasi Jaintia Presbyterian Assembly menta kasngi kala pli pat ba ya jingrakhe dap shispa snam jong hospital na do bala sang ya ka house nam khat khandai spa arwa da Reverend Dr. Hugh Gordon Roberts. Ya kani jingrakhe dap shispa snam jong ani hospital lawan ban pli da menteri rangba ka jelau Conrad ke sangma bat usumbut menteri rangba ka jelau ba Preston Tensong ha ka jingedon nang ki MLA ki MDC bat kumjuro ki pastor jong ka balang Presbyterian haringkat ka jingsaki lang jong ki nong tray ka hospital lambat ki nong shakot skobha kum kadak ka jing pli ya kani ka jingrakhe nakalyang u Conrad ke sangma ula pli bat panher ka lama jubilee shispa snam jong ani ka hospital bat bot da ka jing pelat yak shispa tli ki balun dau ba Mohendro Rapsang bat uba Albert Nongrum kum kadak jong ka jing don bentalang ha kani jingrakhe dap shispa snam bat ban kershan ru ka jing tmu ka hospital bandang tei panher shu shu ya ka hospital u Conrad ke sangma ula no senyang da ka check ka ba arpho lak tingka habakran kumusumbot kong sanu ba Preston Tensong ula penpau ba kani ka jingrakhe jong ka jing ya lenti kani hospital yau mawmer bershispa kandang la su pandang ai ka jing sakri berjanai jong kane hospital na ka benta ki pat ba jong ka jella
with signs and wonders you show your power with precious blood you showed us your grace you be our helper our liberator the giver of life with no We will remember, we will remember, we will remember the works of your hands. We will stand and give you praise, for great is thy faithfulness.
So friends, we just step into the celebration. I would like to request all of us, let us be part of the stakeholders in seeing this institution grows in the years to come. I'm so happy to see the management of these hospitals have discharged their duties without paid and with a lot of sacrifices to sustain and also to improve the functioning of this hospital. God will lead us for another 100 years, and I'm sure God will keep showering His blessings to the management, to the staff, to the medical officers, and all the employees of this hospital. So once again, I wish you all the best, and let this celebration once again become a grand success, not only to the management role, but we dedicate this celebration to the whole state of Meghalaya. And as you all know, the celebration of 50th year of the state of Meghalaya is ended in the month of December. Hopefully this celebration is part of the 50th year of our statehood.
Nakalyang menteri rang ba kajelau Conrad ke sangma ulaong bakum ke sarkar kanya don hasan dapat kani hospital ya ke jingtmu nak benta ban snapan he susu ya ka baru ai kuleker pangru e ka balang Presbyterian halor ka jingno senyang jongka.
I would like to thank God Almighty, not just for this beautiful day that He has given to each and every one of us, but more importantly, for the blessings of Dr. H. Gordon Roberts, who was a missionary who started his journey and the journey of this hospital 100 years ago. And I don't think when this journey had started 100 years back, that Dr. H. Gordon Roberts would have ever imagined that we all would be here 100 years from then, today, celebrating him, celebrating God, and celebrating the wonderful work that this hospital has done for the people of Shillong, of this region, and for the state as a whole. Friends, as has been mentioned by so many who have spoken before me, especially our doctors, the superintendent who spoke before me, our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister who have spoken before me. We look back at the way Dr. H. Gordon Roberts Hospital has contributed to our society. And I take this opportunity on behalf of the citizens of our state to thank all the doctors and staff of the hospital, not just the present, but even those who have in the past contributed and worked towards making this hospital what it is. This is a moment to look back. This is a moment to thank Almighty. This is a moment to thank all those who have contributed to making this hospital what it is, and for the numerous contributions that all the different members have made to society, especially to the people of Shillong. I remember 2.5, 3 years back, when we were all struggling with the challenge of the COVID pandemic. Entire life had just come to a halt. People were scared. People were worried. We didn't know how things would move forward. We were facing an enemy who we could not see, and we didn't know how strong or how weak or how to defeat them. And yet during those difficult times, the doctors of Dr. H. Gordon Roberts Hospital and many of the hospitals, I could see so many of the directors and medical superintendents sitting here on my right who are here today. I think this is an apt moment for us all to remember those days and thank each and every one of them for those sleepless nights that they went through, for having taken the risk of their own lives to save the lives of the people and the citizens of our state. It was a very difficult moment. We sometimes tend to forget because it has already passed us. But for some of us who were in the full depth of the entire fight against COVID, including Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, I can see Bahek also here, and so many of us, we remember how Dr. H. Gordon Roberts Hospital had contributed at that time. And I take this opportunity to thank all the doctors, not just from Roberts Hospital, but from all the other hospitals, all staff that had helped us overcome that challenge. And as I mentioned, even at the risk of losing their own lives. And that's the kind of dedication that we have seen from all the different doctors, especially Roberts Hospital. And here I would like to thank and mention the contribution of the Presbyterian Church. the way the contributions have been made to our society, to our people. Roberts Hospital today is doing an excellent job. But the entire strength comes from the prayers that our church elders, that the people of the church have been praying. The commitment that comes out of the doctors is because they know they are serving the people in the name of the Lord. This kind of passion is not possible without the prayers and the blessings from above. And hence I thank the Presbyterian Church for not just what they are doing here, but for so many other sectors where people's lives have been changed because of the work that they are doing. They've been healing not just the body out here, but healing the mind, the soul, and the spirit. And that is the dedication with which the Presbyterian Church has been working. And I take this opportunity to thank each and everyone for all the contributions and the work that you've done. It is the faith that we will succeed and we will complete this is what will keep us going. And hence every small contribution that we make adds to the overall goal that we are trying to achieve. And I would urge that everybody should work together jointly to make this project a success, as this will be a blessing for not just the people of this area but the entire state as a whole. I once again would like to thank the organizing committee for having invited me, our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, and all of us to be part of this wonderful program. And at the end, I would just like to say that we are all here for the same purpose. And the purpose is to serve the people. The purpose is to serve our Almighty. We may be in different positions. We may be in different fields. Some of us may be officers. Some of us may be politicians. Some of us doctors. Some of us church elders. But at the end of the day, we are all here to serve the Almighty and to serve the people of our state in whatever capacity we can. I hope and pray that this purpose and this sense of commitment is what should drive us, not just now, but also in the days to come.
These 100 billions mark the 100 years of milestone which this hospital has reached by the grace of God.